Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Printing Inc. In today's very quick video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the biggest mistake new people make in DTF printing. My name is Dom, I own Printing Inc. I've been in the printing industry for years. I've worked with many big corporations and my only goal is to help you on your printing journey. Without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. I'm going to keep this as humanly short as possible, but the number one thing that most people do when starting off with DTF printing is they try to cut cost. Cutting costs is going to cost you way more in the long run. You're trying to buy cheap ink, cheap powder, cheap film, cheap printheads. Everything is with good intention, and I do completely understand you guys. I've been there, and that's why I'm making today's quick video. Spend the extra $100 on the printhead, spend the extra $20 on the powder, spend the extra $50 on the film, and spend the extra $40 on the ink. You need to invest in yourself, in your business. The higher quality products you have, the better everything's gonna be. And the worst thing you wanna buy something cheap from, or something that doesn't have good reviews, is a printhead. The printhead is the main tool of your DTF printer. If you cheap out and you buy from an untrusted supplier, you're gonna have very inconsistent results, and in most cases it's not even gonna work, and it's gonna cause more damage than good. You're gonna lose money, you're gonna lose time, and the business is gonna stay stagnant. So this was my tip in today's 2-minute video. Don't be cheap when it comes to buying products, guys. I was there, I was going on China, I was waiting weeks and weeks for shipping just to save an extra $5, give or take, right? Even if it was 100, 200 bucks, I ended up spending more because the ink clogged up my printhead, the printhead would not be working, the film would not be the same color when it's printing. Just invest into a trusted supplier. It doesn't have to be us, guys. It could be anybody online, as long as they have good reviews and you can actually contact them and have a conversation with them. Buy from them. Buy from somebody that's trusted, and you'll have way less trials and tribulations. We have products for sale, DTFX.ca, for all of your DTF printing needs. Printheads, films, powder, inks, you name it, we have it. For DTF small format printers all the way to DTF commercial printers. If it's on the website, send us an email, comment down below, info@DTFX.ca, and we'll be able to help you from there. And even guys, if it's not from DTFX, our company, buy from anybody else. Just buy from a trusted suppliers. I could make a video of 20 minutes explaining to you guys why it's so important, but just take my word, spend the extra money and invest in yourself. It's gonna save you so much time, headache, and money in the long run. You can take a look at my previous videos. I explained this more in depth of why it's so important to buy from a trusted supplier and why it's important to spend that extra premium on your products. Hopefully you guys found this video somewhat insightful. If you did, leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This was Dom from Printing Inc. Make a print. You'll never forget.